Hi! Hello everyone! Today's paid video sponsor is from DinDC Posh Closet. This company reached out to me and offered to send me a free sample of their best-selling product to review for you. And I'm happy to share my 100% honest opinion about their product. The pandemic taught me to clean my bags every time I go home. I'm really looking for a disinfectant and conditioner that is safe to use on my bags on a regular basis. So if you're like me who owns a lot of bags, try DinDC Leather Milk Conditioner. This came with a free microfiber cloth and also a free pouch that you can also use as a sunglass case or other small essentials inside your bag. A very nice, cute freebie. This leather milk conditioner, this is a cleaner, a perfume, conditioner, and disinfectant all in one. It can be used on bags, wallet, belts, shoes, jackets, sofa, face shield, eyeglasses, and many more. Those that are made from leathers, genuine leather, or a faux leather, except for suede and nubuck. It is perfect for leather, PVC, vinyl, rubber, glasses, wood, and plastics as well. So it is an all-around cleaner. This came in 100 ml bottle, and I'm sure they also have smaller bottles and bigger bottles as well. The expiration date is January 2025, so 2 years from now. So this is what I'm always looking for in any product that I buy. I'm always looking for the expiration date. That is very, very important for the effectivity of any product. This product also works for zippers of the bags and also for the hardware of the bags. It removes minor stains such as alcohol spill. Most of the time we're using alcohol, so it really spills inside the bag or outside of the bag. So this helps in cleaning that, and also denim transfer and minor pen marks. However, it does not remove ink stains and watermarks from some bags, and also color transfer coming from another leather. So those are the things that it cannot remove. But it also removes stickiness, foul odors from bacteria and mildew, but it is safe to use on different kinds colors of bags. When you use it regularly, it will restore the flexibility of leather fibers, making it supple and free from crack. I really am looking for something that would help my bags maintain its flexibility, and also most of my bags are in faux leather bags, and faux leather bags have expiration, so it is easy to crack. So I'm looking for something that would at least lengthen the time of the leather from peeling. So I'm very happy to try this product. Before using a product on your bags, always remember to test it first on a small area. Just like doing a patch test on your skin when trying a beauty product for the first time. This will prevent any unwanted damages on the material of your bags, especially if it is a very expensive one. Today, I have to share with you how to clean your bags. So now let's begin. Let's try this product. So first, you have to prepare our bags. So let's start from this one. This bag, I have bought this from Shein, and this has a synthetic, unpleasant smell to it, and I'm looking for something that would remove that smell. Let's try. So first, you have to clean the bag using a clean cloth, clean dry cloth, to remove any dust from the bag. And then, so get the cleaner, and the trick is to shake it very well. Shake it very well so that all the ingredients will mix very well. Get the benefit from the product. Always shake it very well before using it. And then spray it directly on the bag. And get another clean cloth, microfiber cloth, and wipe it dry using circular motion. That's it. That's as simple as that. And according to them, you can use this product regularly. It won't hurt the material of your bag. And if it would lengthen the life of my faux leather bags, this is a very, very good product for me. And also you can do that on the hardware as well. Bring back the shine. It really smells nice. I can smell it, and it smells like premium smell, pleasant smell. It is not overpowering. It is not super fragrant, super strong. It has a light scent to it that is very pleasing. Let's try again on this side. So shake again. Always shake before you use it. Then spray again directly onto the product on the bag, and then you wipe it dry using a circular motion. Don't rub it, just some light circular motion. This cleaner has a light scent to it. It is not overpowering. Premium bag, premium smell. So I really want my bags, especially my stinky bags, my faux leather bags coming from ordered from Shopee and also from Shein. Most of them has this synthetic weird smell. And now at the bottom, it smells nice, really nice. Also the zipper pull, it has a leather zipper pull, and but now I'm really satisfied with the scent. It's really light scent, pleasant scent that really smells premium to me. So this is the first bag that I have cleaned. Now let's try this other bag. This is a Forever Young Pure Loose, and this bag is also from PU Leather. And actually this bag doesn't really smell bad, but it smells like rubber. So let's see if this cleaner will help remove that rubber smell. I don't like that rubber smell. And it is also safe to use on the hardware, like the zipper pull, the zippers, the D-rings. Shake the bottle and then spray it directly on the bag. And then wipe it dry using a soft circular motion. And one trick that I learned from one of my friends, bag friends, is always condition the part of the zipper area. Always condition that, because those are the ones, most especially on the faux leather ones, these ones are the first to crack. And one of my other bags, Pure Loose, the pink, this area cracked already because I wasn't able to condition it regularly. So this red bag, I will be doing that and see if I will be able to protect the bag from cracking, because the weather here in the Philippines is humid and most of the bags really would crack easily, most especially the faux leather ones. And I have a lot of faux leather bags in my collection. Okay, let's see if this is effective on my bag. And this one is from Coach. This is a pre-loved bag from Coach. This is an authentic, a genuine leather bag. And of course, all we have to do is to wipe first with a clean cloth to remove any traces of dust. And then spray again. Then always remember to shake it first to get its effective properties. Then wipe it dry using this microfiber cloth, and also on the hardware. Especially, I know pandemic is still not over, and this pandemic taught us to clean our bags regularly. And of course, you don't want to wipe your bags using alcohol, and expensive cleaners requires you to clean the bags every year, I think, the expensive ones. So at first, what I'm doing was to use just a facial wipe or baby wipes. That's what I'm using. I think, I'm not really sure if that would protect my bags. So I want to have something that I can use on a daily basis that is safe to use on the materials of the bags, especially leather and faux leather bags, that so that it would be clean at the same time. It would be free from cracks. This side. You see, it looks shinier now. Let's see on the inside. So there. It looks shinier, looks nice. Looks like new. So the good thing about this leather milk conditioner is it has made my faux leather bags smell good, like a brand new premium smell. It gave my bags fresh scent and it feels soft to the touch. It really has a pleasant scent to it. I really love the smell. Now my bag looks clean and also smells clean as well. I will give you some updates on how this product protected my bags after some months of using it. Thank you, Sis Nadine, for reaching out to me, for letting me try your premium product, your best-selling product, which is the leather milk conditioner. I will also link their shop below, DinDC Posh Closet, and she also do some regular live selling on Shopee. And if you want to buy some branded bags and also some designer bags, please do visit her shop. I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope I was able to show how to clean and maintain your bags, especially your faux leather ones. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.